Hi friends, how are you? I am Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. Welcome to LeonsBD after a couple of weeks. In this video, I will show you how to design simple notebook in MS Word 19. Okay, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. I make videos on technology, and now at this moment, MS Word series is going on. Without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we go. So at first we will go to layout. From here, size. In my case, by default A4 is selected. A notebook could be of different sizes, so you can choose your size according to your needs. I am showing you by A4 sizes. Okay, then orientation. Now at this moment portrait is selected, but if you need, you can select landscape as well. Okay, I am keeping portrait. Then margins, this is important. I am going to custom margins. Okay, in this design I will make top 0, bottom 0, left 0 and right 0. Another most important thing, that is gutter. If you want to print your notebook and if you want to use a single page at a time, then you don't have to think about gutter. But if you want to print and if you want to bind that printing as a book, then you have to keep gutter. Okay, so I am keeping 0.5 inch, and from here multiple pages, it should be mirror margins like this. Okay, then click on OK. Page has been started from here, and this 0.5 inch is for gutter. Okay, now we will insert the table. So for inserting table, go to insert. From here, table, just select all the row from here and left click. Okay, so table has been inserted. So what I will do, I will keep my mouse pointer here and I will drag it somewhere here. Now what you have to do, now select the table. From here, go to layout and increase the height. I'm making it 0.3 inch. Okay, so you can increase or decrease according to your needs, no problem. Now at this moment I have to increase the row, so keep your mouse pointer at the last row. Then from your keyboard, just press tab. See, if I press tab, then another row will be added. Just press tab, tab, tab. Okay, and keep pressing tab until the end of the page. Okay, again tab, tab. So I think it's okay. So this is the end of this page. Now at this moment, what I have to do, I'll make a left margin. I mean, not this margin or this margin. Okay, the margin on the notebook. So for that, go to insert. From here, shapes. From here, lines. So I'll place this left margin at 1 inch. So this is 1 inch actually, and this portion is actually gutter. Okay, just left click and drag it in this way. Okay, I'm going to here, and at the same way left click and drag it in this way, and left click and drag it up to here and release the mouse. Okay, so from here, go to shape outline. Instead of this color, I can choose this color or this color, maybe aqua, accent 5. Okay, again go to shape outline. From here, weight. Currently 3/4 point is selected. I'll take half point. What I have to do, I have to increase this line up to here. Okay, and now at this moment I'll make another line. For making that, just select this line. From your keyboard, press Ctrl and just drag it. See, another line has been created. Okay, so now I'll make a top margin here. Go to insert and at the same way shapes, then select lines. Then I'll make from here one and another one at the same way. Select the line. From your keyboard, press Ctrl and just drag in this way. So top margin has been created. Now at this moment here, I will make a box where I will write page and date. Okay, so for that, go to insert. From here, shapes. So maybe these shapes, a rounded corner. Okay, so in this way. From here, shape fill should be no fill. Shape outline should be this color actually, this one, aqua accent 5. Okay, and weight should be maybe half point. So now what we will do, we will take a text box. Again go to insert. From here, Tex Box, maybe this text box, no problem. Select the text and from here keyboard just press backspace for deleting that, and here we will write TATE date colon. From your keyboard press shift then underscore. It will show like a line. Okay, going to next line, then PAGE page colon. At the same way press shift then underscore. So now at this moment this text box will be placed here. Okay, so before that select the text and from go to home. From here remove the space after paragraph and I will keep it 8. Okay, so decrease the size from here. So now at this moment just drag it and place it here. Shape format, from here shape fill, select no fill, and another one is shape outline, no outline. Okay, so we are almost done. Fix it little bit. Okay, see date and page. So we are done. In this way you can create your own notebook. Definitely I have shown a demo. When you will design, definitely you have to keep a creative touch on your design. Okay, at the next video I will show you how to design notebook in a little bit different way. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, if you have any query, just comment in the comment section. I will try to reply. In the next video I will show you how to design notebook in a different way, in an advanced way. Hopefully you have enjoyed the video, and before that you can follow me on Facebook and LinkedIn. The link is given in the description box. Okay, if you have enjoyed the video, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.